Habis keren bikin pathai kubur, ubah Preston Tensong ulang bagi Sorkar Meghalaya, kanilea bandra ikimat bedang sateng halo gejing dawa ke lain permit, badwan penderung ya Ktien kasih bergaru haga 8 schedule kariti sensyari. Bad kiloong bakin det menekran nikani bad Menteri Korbari Sorkar Preng Amit Shah haga porbun wan haga nong ba Shillong. Menishim benta gejing yalang jong ke North Eastern Council. Ubah Preston Tensong ulang bu Amit Shah unwan menishim benta haga nega plenary session jong ke NEC Nailara Sorkar jela kayo ikalat benikendo unu menteri. Kan pensengau bagi gimat keberang saateng di bekentup ya ke inalain permit bagi jing pendrung ya ke Ktien kasih bat garo haka 8 schedule. Ulang begini gimat jing dawa kidai kebelayo ke jing menjur na ke yang dorbar tauan.
But when you talk about the pursuing the pending issues from the government side, yes, for sure. If we have the opportunity of meeting the Honorable Home Minister, we will surely apprise and we will surely talk to him again about the pending issues of one is ILP and number two is the 8th schedule language that we have already passed in the Assembly. Since the meeting is being organized to discuss about the development, the security of the entire northeastern states, I'm very sure maybe this subject will be discussed.